VICTOG.com.
Let us do the next problem. The question is, find the 11th term. Find the 11th term. Find the 11th term from the last term. From the last term towards the first term. Towards the first term of the AP 10, 7, 4, etc., 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 10, 7, 4, etc., etc., etc. The last term is minus 62. This is the question. We have to find out the 11th term starting from the last term. So, we have to consider minus 62 as the first term. We have to find out the 11th term of the AP in the reverse order. That means, we are going to consider the first term of the AP to be minus 62. Let A is equal to minus 62. Then, the common difference of the given AP is 10, 7, minus 4, etc., etc., etc. Therefore, the common difference is minus 3. It is the common difference of the given AP. So, we have to take the common difference as 3 because we are starting from minus 62. We are starting from the last term towards the first term in the reverse order. So, if the common difference is minus 3 in the given question, in the given AP, we have to take plus 3 as the common difference. D is equal to plus 3. And we have to find out the 11th term, A11. A11 formula is A plus 10D. The value of A is minus 62 plus 10 into the value of the common difference D is 3. Minus 62 plus 10 into 3, 30. Then minus 62 plus 30 is equal to minus 32. How will you got minus 32? How do you get it? We are subtracting 30 from minus 62 and giving the sign of the larger number. It is minus 32. A11. That is 11th term from the last towards the first is minus 32. This is the answer. So, let us solve another question. The question is, in a flower bed, there are 23 rose plants in the first row. In a flower bed, there are 23 rose plants in the first row means A1 is equal to 23. And 21 in the second, A2 is equal to 21. And 19 in the third, A3 is equal to 19 and so on. If there are 5 rose plants in the last row means last term AN is equal to 5. How many rows are there in the flower bed? I shall read the question once more. In a flower bed, there are 23 rose plants in the first row, 21 in the second, 19 in the third and so on. There are 5 rose plants in the last row. How many rows are there in the flower bed? This is the question. We have to find out the number of rows in the rose plant. That means A1 is equal to 23. We can write down the AP. That the AP is 23, 21, 19, etc., etc., etc. The last term is 5. This is the given AP. From this AP, the value of A is equal to 23 and the common difference D is equal to A2 minus A1 is equal to 21 minus 23 is equal to minus 2. And the last term AN is equal to 5. Now we can use the formula N. To find the value of N, we have studied a formula. That is, the formula is N is equal to last term AN minus first term A1 divided by common difference D plus 1. This is the formula. Now, N is equal to last term 5 minus first term 23 divided by common difference is equal to minus 2, d is equal to minus 2, then plus 1. N is equal to 5 minus 23 is equal to minus 18 divided by minus 2 plus 1. Then n is equal to minus minus cancelled, 18 by 2 is equal to 9 plus 1 is equal to 10.